Last weekend, I was at sea with Coast Guard New Zealand. They want to film families that are sailing to do fishing, and what I learned from the Coast Guard is that clear communication was very important. So, so clear communication between our relationships and our relationship with our community and all that. We need that. We need to be clear about the work we do, why we are doing it, and how can that work we do help to build resiliency between and all of us that we live within those communities. Yeah, I think that's how I see it. And as we shared before, our climate is part of nature, but because of man's influence, we add on to the. I'm not sure what to call it, but it's like we unconsciously, morally causing the climate to become against us in a larger sense, I think.